Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best NAS Synology storages. If you're storing your life on external hard drives scattered around your desk like some kind of digital hoarder, we need to talk. Today, we're reviewing the best NAS storages, and trust me, your backup strategy is about to level up big time. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth NAS storage on our list is the Synology 2-bay DiskStation DS224 Plus, priced at $399.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. Right out of the box, this thing feels solid. The build quality is genuinely impressive for the price. Compact metal chassis that doesn't scream cheap, and it sits nicely on a desk without taking up much real estate. The DS224 Plus rocks a 2-bay setup, which sounds limiting but works perfectly for backup and small media libraries. You're running an Intel Celeron J4125 processor with 2 GB of RAM, upgradable to 6 GB if you want. The dual gigabit Ethernet is solid for network speeds, and you get a USB 3.0 port for external backups. What really won me over is DiskStation Manager, Synology's operating system. The interface is intuitive, genuinely not confusing like some competitors. Setting up RAID took maybe 5 minutes, and the storage features cover all the basics: snapshots, volume management, the whole deal. Security-wise, it supports encrypted shares and has solid access controls built in. Performance is snappy for everyday use, backup speeds are respectable, and the sync options with cloud services and computers just work. The main limitation? 2 bays means limited expansion. If you're planning massive storage long-term, you'll outgrow this. Our team recommends this for personal backups, small business use, or media streaming. The fourth NAS storage on our list is the Synology 4-bay DiskStation DS923 Plus, priced at $869.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The build quality is noticeably better than the 2-bay, still compact, but it feels more substantial. 4 bays gives you real flexibility. You can hit 50 terabyte with RAID 5, or expand it to 126 terabyte with an expansion unit if you go all in. That's a game changer for photographers, videographers, or small businesses that need serious storage. Under the hood, you've got an AMD Ryzen processor, massive jump from the entry-level Celeron, paired with 8 GB of RAM, also upgradable. You're looking at 592 megabytes per second read speeds, and here's the kicker: it has 2 M.2 NVMe slots for caching or SSD storage pools. Add 10 gigabit Ethernet support, and suddenly you're talking about enterprise-grade performance. DiskStation Manager still handles everything beautifully, but now you can actually leverage the power. Snapshots work faster, backup features support VM environments, and the surveillance capabilities are legitimately professional grade. Security is robust, with encrypted volumes and ransomware protection built in. Honestly, the only real limitation is price. This isn't budget anymore. Our team recommends this for anyone doing creative work, running a small office, or needing reliable long-term storage. The third NAS storage on our list is the Synology 6-bay DiskStation DS1621 Plus, priced at $999.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is bigger than the previous models, but that's because you're getting 6 bays, which means serious storage capacity without needing expansion units unless you really push it. You've got an AMD Ryzen quad-core processor running at 2.2 gigahertz. Paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM, upgradable to 32 gigabytes. That's workstation level specs. The real magic is those dual M.2 NVMe slots enable caching, and you're accelerating your HDD arrays by 20 times or more. That's not hype, that's actually transformative for workflows. Performance here is genuinely impressive. We're talking 110K random read IOPS, which destroys the previous generation by 174%. Add 10 gigabit Ethernet support, network adapters sold separately, and you're building a system that can handle professional video editing, large database operations, or enterprise backup scenarios. The storage features are comprehensive: RAID options, snapshots, deduplication, and real-time backup capabilities. Keep in mind, you're looking at higher power consumption compared to smaller models here. Our team recommends this for those who are running a small business, managing critical data, or doing professional creative work. The second NAS storage on our list is the Synology 5-bay DiskStation DS1522 Plus, priced at $1,469.92, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. If you need that middle ground between small scale and full enterprise, 5 bays is the perfect balance. Enough flexibility without being overkill. Under the hood, you've got an AMD Ryzen R 1600 dual-core processor at 2.6 to 3.1 gigahertz, paired with 8 gigabytes of DDR4 ECC RAM, upgradable to 32 gigabyte. That's versatile hardware. You're hitting 736 read, 796 write megabytes per second, which is genuinely fast for most workflows. The dual M.2 NVMe slots give you caching options, and here's what makes this stand out: 4 built-in 1 gigabit Ethernet ports with an easy 10 gigabit Ethernet upgrade path. The 5 bays give you RAID flexibility without sacrificing storage potential. 72 terabyte with RAID 5 is solid. Backup features are comprehensive: active backup for servers, VM support, Microsoft 365, and Google Workspace integration. Snapshots every 5 minutes if you need them. The surveillance capabilities handle up to 40 IP cameras, which is actually impressive for this class. Now, if you're a heavy user, 5 bays might feel tight, but you can always expand later. Our team recommends this for small offices, content creators, or someone who wants real NAS power without enterprise complexity. The best NAS storage on our list is the Synology 12-bay DiskStation DS242 Plus, priced at $1,999.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. 12 bays in a surprisingly compact footprint. It's not small, but it's way more reasonable to squeeze into a studio or office than traditional server racks. You're running an AMD Ryzen V1000 500B quad-core at 2.2 gigahertz with 4 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, upgradable to 32 gigabyte. That's the same processor as the DS1621 Plus. So you get proven horsepower. 12 SATA bays means you can hit 216 terabyte of storage with the right drive configuration and RAID setup. The 4 1 gigabit Ethernet ports give you solid networking, plus there's a PCIe Gen 3 slot for future upgrades. The real kicker is that expandable mini SAS connection, which opens doors if you ever need to push further. DiskStation Manager handles everything intuitively. RAID flexibility is exceptional with RAID 5, 6, 10, and Synology's hybrid RAID options. Performance is solid, and backup features are comprehensive. Active backup for servers, snapshots, cross-device synchronization. The surveillance capabilities are genuinely enterprise-ready. Security includes encryption, ransomware protection, and the whole ecosystem integrates beautifully. The main limitation is physical space and power consumption. This isn't a low-profile device, and it draws more power than smaller models. It's also a significant investment up front. Our team recommends this for studios, production companies, or small businesses managing massive data workflows. And there you have it, folks, the best NAS Synology storages. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.